Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Simplify Your Space. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing of LG 687 liters side-by-side refrigerator which we bought recently. We'll also tell you the main features of this model and our reasons as to why did we shortlist this model. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet, and do follow us on social media like Facebook and Instagram for all the latest updates. So let's get started. So this is how the refrigerator came in our house, well packed in cardboard box. The company boys did the unboxing and placed it in the designated area of the kitchen. Usually the company's technician comes the next day for the installation and demo. This is from LG 687 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator, model number GC B247SLUV. The dimensions are 179 by 91.2 by 73.8. It comes with the instruction manual, warranty card and a driver to fix the doors. Door installation instructions are given on the paper here. The door must be leveled properly before starting. It comes with inverter linear compressor. ILC functions within the temperature range of plus minus 5 degrees Celsius. That's almost half the temperature variation as compared to the conventional compressor. LG claims that it saves 32% energy, reduces noise by 25% and comes with 10-year warranty and is certified for lifespan of 20 years. Company's warranty on doors and display is for 1 year. It has beautiful shiny steel finish body which looks premium. LD touchscreen display panel is given here, which is mainly for temperature control. By touching this, you can adjust the temperature of refrigerator and by this temperature of freezer. If you want to freeze something fast or need ice cubes urgently, you can press express freezing button. It lowers down the temperature for an hour, then get back to the normal temperature automatically. This last one is a child lock. Just keep pressing it for 3 seconds and then the settings will be locked. It has multi-digital temperature sensors which monitors both internal and external temperature for the temperature consistency to help in maintaining the food quality for longer. It also has a Wi-Fi feature which helps the application to get connected to local Wi-Fi. To use this feature, one needs to use SmartThings application which can be downloaded from App Store or Google Play Store. Post simple login, it will ask you to add your appliance and its model number. That's it, you can connect your appliance now. You can check its status, set temperature and can also perform diagnosis. Well, it's not a feature that one would use every day, but it's there. Now let's move to the interiors of the fridge. This fridge has multi-airflow cooling feature which ensures even cooling throughout the refrigerator using the multi-flow air vents located all over the refrigerator. It has LED light fixed inside which makes the interior more appealing. The left side is full freezer and right side is fridge. Everything is made of high quality material. On the right, there are 4 tempered glass shelves and 2 crisper boxes to store vegetables and fruits. The door has more storing shelves. The upper one is to store dairy products and rest are for miscellaneous items such as sauces, spreads, beverages, etc. They have given one fridge container to store eggs or any other food product. On the left side, the interiors are almost the same, 4 shelves and 2 boxes which are quite spacious to store chicken and meat items. Lot of stuff can be kept on the door tray such as spices and dry fruits. Also, there is an ice maker with container fixed on the door. Overall, the fridge is very spacious, looks good and enhances the kitchen's look. It comes with inbuilt stabilizer, but if the power fluctuates frequently in your area, then consider installing an extra stabilizer to be on the safer side. It also comes with the door alarm. If the refrigerator stays open for long, the alarm starts to notify us. Now the question comes, why one should buy a refrigerator of this size when lots of smaller models are available at a cheaper price. This size of refrigerator is suitable for people having large families, people who buy groceries, vegetable, fruits and dairy in bulk, having large storage requirement. Our requirement was that we buy groceries and other perishable items in bulk to avoid everyday hassles of frequent shopping. Therefore, buying this fridge is purely requirement based and nothing else. Now our reasons of buying this particular model. This model suited the allocated kitchen space dimensions. Its functionality in terms of reliable operations, power saving and silent compressor was convincing. Both its interior plus exterior and the build quality appealed well. Warranty and service backed by LG is fairly long enough for the fridge life. This model is also cost effective as compared to similar models of other companies. This model also has a different variant with about 10,000 rupees extra, wherein one gets the cold water dispenser on the door. As we don't drink cold water at home, we decided to save some money there. Different stores have different pricing. We bought this fridge for 72,000 rupees after a hard bargain and in the exchange of old fridge. We also got minibar fridge worth rupees 8,000 free with this. So I would suggest you to visit 3-4 stores to compare the pricing. Do not hesitate to bargain. There are a lot of cashback offers going on in the credit cards, so do check all the information before buying. This model is also available online at Amazon with the price range of 63,000 to 75,000 from different sellers. I provided its link in the description box. Hope this information can be helpful to you. Do let me know what all appliances and products you want me to cover in the future. Also give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget subscribing for many more such videos. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.